This is very interesting question. A father is 4 times as old as his son. In 20 years, he will be only twice as old. How old is the son? Okay, only 1% get this right. So now let's solve this. Let the son's current age be x, right? So then father's age equals 4x, 4 times 4x, right? In 20 years, son equals x plus 20. X unknown number plus 20 years. And father equals 4x plus 20 years, right? Now fathers will be twice son's age, right? So 4x plus 20, 4x plus 20 equals, right, 2 and x plus 20, right? 2, he will be only twice as old, so 2 and x plus 20, x plus 20, right? So now 4x and plus 20 equals 2 times x equals 2x plus 2 times 20 equals 40. Now 4x and 2x, 4x and here is plus, so no, here is minus, 2x and equals 40 minus 20, right? So now 4x minus 2x equals 2x, right, equals 40 minus 20 equals 20. Now x minus, so x equals 10 divided by 2 equals 20 divided by 2. 2 to cancel x, right, and 2 times 10 equals 20.